Ready to update your Facebook identity and ensure your profile accurately reflects who you are. First, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the Facebook page. This will take you to your personal profile. From your profile page, look for the Settings and Privacy option, usually found in a drop-down menu near the top right. Click on that. Within the Settings and Privacy menu, select Settings. This will open up your account settings panel. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll see a list of options. Click on Personal Information. Here, you'll find your basic account details. Find the Name section and click on it. Now, you'll see fields for your first name, middle name, and last name. You can edit your name here to whatever you prefer. After making your desired changes, scroll down and click the Review Change button. Facebook will then ask you to enter your password to confirm the change. Type your password into the provided field. You'll then have a chance to preview how your name will appear. Facebook allows you to choose the order of your name. Select your preferred display. Finally, click Save Changes to finalize your new name on Facebook. Remember, you can only change your name every 60 days, so make sure it's exactly how you want it.